AH Career Institute under the control of Jaimadri ma'am. So let us go into the topic generations of computer. Computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. Computer has many characteristics like speed, accuracy, intelligence, versatility, and many other. Based on these characteristics, computers are divided into many generations. The main five generations are first generation, second generation, third, fourth, and fifth. So, in these generations, computer has evolved in its speed, accuracy, and other characteristics. In the first generation, we have used the vacuum tubes as the electronic component. In this, the computer speed is very low and it takes a lot of space and releases a lot of heat. And in this generation, the data is stored in the vacuum tubes and input and output operations are done by the punch cards. Examples of the first generation are IBM 701, ENAC, etc. In the second generation, the data is stored in the transistors. The output and input operations are done by the punch cards as in the first generation. In this, when compared to the first generation, the power loss is less and generation of heat is also little. In this generation, magnetic tapes are used as the external storage devices. Example, Honeywell 400. In the third generation, we have used the electronic components like in the integrated circuits as the electronic components. In this generation, the cost and power consumption and heat generation is very less when compared to the first and second generations. In this third generation, we use the magnetic disks as the external storage devices. Examples of third generation computers are IBM 360 or 370, CDC 6600, etc. In fourth generation, we use the electronic component like very large scale integrated chips. In this, GUI based systems are evolved. It has very less reliability, maintenance, and less cost. It is easy to use and it consists of very less space. In this generation, we use input and output devices like computer, monitor, keyboard, and etc. Examples of fourth generation are Apple II, TRS-80. In the fifth generation, we use the electronic component ultra large scale integrated chips. In this, the computers are very speed and very accessible. The reliability on the computers are very less. Examples of fifth generation computers are IBM notebooks, Param NAC 10,000, etc. Thank you all for giving this wonderful opportunity.